Do you believe that people are truly intent on ratcheting up fear and tension so they can later relax and feel relieved when nothing comes to pass?
It seems that that is a game in this moment. Most of the movie, everything is trying to scare you to death. This big tragedy where dying a lot of thousands of people, millions of people, are they really impose a tremendous power on humanity. If you die by yourself in a car crash, it's, like in one normal movie, yes, poor guy had a car crash, he died, But if you see dying 1 million people, you have this. For one of the guys that died there doesn't make any difference, no? But for humanity, it's a big thing. And see September 11, all this kind of thing, and the people feel that because it's part of their DNA. They cannot change that, and so that creates a lot of emotion, and that was the people want now to sell emotion.
One last thing. What are your predictions for December 21st, 2012? Should we be living like these are our last days?
No, it's in my book, but the change will happen later. They don't have to think about the end of the world. They have to think about the change of the world that we can start to see now happening. I don't know if it has something to do with what the Mayans said or what the astrology said that is part of my book, but the world, the people are starting to think of the big change.